In this video I'm going to show you how to add a web page to favorites in your Safari browser. Favorites located right here, and it's very quick and easy operation to add here a new website. So let's begin. And once you open up your Safari browser, you need to open here some website that you want to add here to favorites. I will open some site like let it be Yandex, and then what I'm gonna do, I tap here on that share button and then scroll down until I find add bookmark or add to favorites. I can tap on add bookmark, I can select the name of that bookmark, the location of that bookmark, location will be favorites, and just tap here on save button, and now I can check if it's already added. Now I see the new icon was successfully appeared right here. And if I want to delete the favorites, I just tap on that icon and hold for a while, and here select delete to delete that bookmark. That's how it works. I hope it helps you. So before you go, please like and subscribe.